Imagine you're editing a travel vlog or straight interview that you shot. The footage looks great overall, but the faces turned out slightly blurry because of focus issues. The smiles and facial expressions are there, but the sharpness that makes them real isn't. Same way when you shoot a talking head video, but the focus is just not entirely on point. This is exactly where face enhancement becomes invaluable. It takes those slightly out of focus or low detailed faces and rebuilds them frame by frame, restoring the clarity that got lost in motion or poor focus. Inevitably, you'll need a tool that can do all this. In this video, I will show you the face enhancement feature in the UniConverter 17, which has been upgraded for even better results. In case you don't have the UniConverter yet, be sure to download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Or if you already have the tool, upgrade it for the latest version. When you have the UniConverter up and running, click on the Video Enhancer AI tool, which is now featured on the top right corner of the interface. The next step is importing your footage. The Video Enhancer can process up to 20 clips at a time. I'll just import a few this time to demonstrate the feature for you. Then on the right side of the interface, you'll find the individual tools. Naturally, we'll use the face enhancement one. So click on it. Here you have the chance to perform an upscaling as well, which means that the footage will have a higher resolution after the processing is done. Note that the footage you import can't be higher than 1080p. Before clicking on export, choose an output folder for your enhanced files. You'll see the progress down here on each video thumbnail. When a video is done, a little green tick will appear on them. Let's see the results. This was the footage before the enhancement, and this is the footage after. Now let's shift to the second scenario, anime enhancement. Let's say you're creating an edit that mixes real footage with classic anime scenes, or maybe you're restoring a compilation of older anime clips. The problem is familiar: jagged outlines, faded colors, or pixelation that distracts from the artistry. With anime enhancement, you can remaster a footage. It smooths out the lines and art, boosts color depth, and removes compression noise. It's like turning a standard definition DVD into an HD remaster without losing its character. So this time, we'll use the anime enhancement feature of the Video Enhancer AI tool in the UniConverter. The process is pretty much the same. First things first, you have to import your footage. Then, on the right side of the interface, you'll find the Anime Enhancement tool. Click on it. Here again, you have the option to choose an upscaling ratio. Make sure that you choose an output folder before you click on export. And when you're done, just click on export. Again, you'll see the progress down here. And on each video thumbnail, a green tick will appear when the video is done. Okay, let's see the results. This is the footage before, and this is after. These two features combine enhancement and upscaling, giving you the chance to save time and effort when you're working on a project. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. We post tutorials on new features and old features alike, so make sure you don't miss any of them. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.